Ragoy, malungil beesera. Sulang altunin na TMC, nga ang Clara Sheshiro, ang kalobengera, Miss Willow Ngirangoy. El alsil seng January 5, Radur's Day, yagay da kukmomiyang al ice am lotobna.
Omal masaw, lara TMC kukna invite nga kami, mukna sa join, kukmamulam yang al ice. Bakot tan yang al ice el alsil sa tiyang press release, silgiren sa charging of PGST. Egi darong dimdingel was sira January 1st. Enya unmo ultagi dag PGST, mar other nastawang, mar malalu alaman milesa igir kakaraw sal aralak lalo, matakses enya hupa, lo dimukra receipts sila kami. Makma mo wertial press release sila makot at tukora marigel, kuk mamalako ay kalkora additional information na lo dimukra rin. Matiyang press release at tilo versira January 2, 2023, was a press release reminder on the charging of PGST. The Bureau reminds the public, particularly all businesses establishments, that only PGST registered persons can charge the 10% Palau goods and services tax. It is unlawful for non-PGST registered person to charge PGST, and the director may impose penalties for doing so. Consumers are asked to seek the business's PGST certificate, which should be displayed prominently on the business establishment when purchasing goods and services to ensure they can charge the 10% PGST. Also, ask for an invoice or receipt to ensure that PGST tax paid on your purchases is indicated on the business invoice and receipt. In addition, a list of PGST registered persons has been made available with the title PGST Registry as of 12/31/2022 in the ROP website or by accessing the following link, which is www.palaugov.pw with the names of taxpayers who should be charging PGST. Coinciding with our public notice issued last week, dated 12/28/2022, we began our advisory visits to business establishments today to ensure proper application and compliance with new tax laws. Del PGST, blal implement niya government target, mo tax ay gel rogul goods and services. Adra tax sa ulu ay salwase, sel ko telo muul. It did not go smoothly on the first day. Kanya complaints, wala niya confusions, mar consumers sa unmes sa spy gra aralaklal wasel la bolom. Kanya businesses sel bolom aren dimla kalmug taygan utel tax edim le et anertag PGST. Mar adra tax el alta mamral visit tagay gidel business establishments to ensure wasang milungog taygay gidel taxes before mandimo base prices tiram u edagay gid PGST matsum ka nga rastawang okor araklal we please them ask a receipt to ensure wasing ngari say the PGST tax niya nga algal receipt ra kami yatsum ko mo rastawang okor unsure wasit tira the register that si charge of PGST mas in more say gid ROP website mo mo message gid ko bali niya ne register charge of PGST. Malwaiseng timlay gigi dami ang alay silgire la tegi the press release of charging of PGST ako po nga sa share ukmok mo nga bebe dami ang alay.
Ali matarami ang alay sa public service announcement ng PNCC effective January 1st 2023 PNCC will collect the Palau goods and services tax on all their products and services. PNCC will remit the 10% PGST to the Bureau of Revenue and Taxation, but the price you pay will only increase by 6%. For more information, visit their website PGST FAQ and www.pnccpalau.com. PNCC additional informable with more airtime, madabus card, value raigay adimo osisiu. However, the only changes mo internet card, el ngiya mo increase by 6% and it will be charged at the point of purchase. The public is hereby asked to report to the tax office any store that adds 10% to the face value of airtime ma the bus cards. Formal masal legal understanding ma cooperation ramiu yal somiu ako kamagal information ang sab amiu el omgadong ra 488-9000 or 587-9000 during the regular business hours from Monday to Friday. Mataramayang ay sa Ministry of Health and Human Services aswal informa belu el mo COVID-19 and flu shots vaccines na mo available ra national chin every Tuesday except for holidays from 4:30 p.m. el mo 6:30 p.m. el sel el almandra January. MHHS samral urge adrabalu el mo malarial flu shot mulmutegal boosters el so mingaring ang idil garmiu and sub amiu lom godong ay gaigidil numbers 775-1760, 775-2898, 775-0084, malubong 488-0555. Mataramayang alay sa Ministry of Health and Human Services is pleased to inform travelers and the public that effective January 1st, 2023, SL health declaration forms will be available online and may be accessed and completed by travelers before arrival into the Republic of Palau. The online health declaration form, malubing HDF, sub-amul access through the link Palau Arrival Health Declaration, malubing www.palauhealth.org. Sis Bertal website, click or cell button to access the electronic HDF, malubing download a print a copy of the form and fill it out. Each traveler must complete the form. Once you go in, follow instructions to complete and submit the form online. And once it has been submitted, an email confirmation will be sent with a copy of the completed form. Each and every traveler must present a copy of their completed form upon arrival at Palau International Airport. And also mga ngangidil garmiu ang sub-amul email travelers@palauhealth.org, or you may also call 775-6468 or 775-1064.
Malo ay se kita mo message that short clip by said snack shop by say and ngiyang arak nong bitarabang Pacific.
Ali manungil sil sila ang Whitney Joseph, owner of Snack Shack by Zay. Kama located at sila Norong wala Rabulu Ralibu Street. Yeah, Snack Shack by Zay. I'm gonna open on December 19th. Kama cater to the local market. I like to consider us not a restaurant but a crossover retail convenience store. We do make food. And so, specialty mama umulugal is lunchtime. So lunch starts at 11:30, and then we do breakfast at 6 a.m. But soon we're gonna have breakfast during the weekdays. As of right now, we only do breakfast on weekends, and then lunch on Monday to Friday. Yidira naman specialized local market, tokorawa, sashimi, poge, and so we support local and we support pelagic, telangi mawa tuna, blue marlin, and we get it straight from NRFC, blue rangar along. And so yidira klotra magitra and so you must support local. I hope you guys come by and stop at Snack Shack by Zay, and we open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Monday to Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday we open from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Kumanisula.
Still clip, nga kamlo omungo reserak mong oy ngerang, and oh my god, the food was great. It
Delicious.
Yes, it was. And yeah, with me, I was sitting na mamura wa ice cutter, my milkshake, So maybe after this, excited ko mo
Check it out.
Oo, next ko pero yang al ice excited ko update pero audience tergi dalwasan lewa nga ice cutter ma milkshake ra sa
Yeah. Matalgok mo next clip, gira la 2022 IPNE Amateur Basketball League Division 1. Sa last Tuesday night, PHS Gym Ngaramdalayi nearly came down during the exciting second of the best of 3 championship games between 2 top teams in Ngaramdalayi Mayubon. The Selkmal Lesmi title game with a final score of 87 to 85, Team Madalai.
Let's go, man.
Wow, sama ko na SME game.
No, maral smi ang dalo master at ang dalay log sa ko.
Oh. Well, congratulations, Team Madalai, and I hope you guys are celebrating safe and sound.
Malaway say, gagi daw ko yang al ice saka mas amulog to and at sales. Mukuman ng sam na tune in at TMC. Please buckle up and drive safe.